See if it'll start. Well, the battery's completely dead. You gotta let it charge. Alright guys, let's see if it'll start up. It's been sitting for like months. Yo, it started. Hopefully it stays on. Alright guys, so there's something going on with the car. It likes to stall out like out of nowhere. Like even like if I'm idling or if I'm driving and I come to a stop, it will just shut off sometimes. And then if I'm driving, the car will jerk forward, the check engine light will go away, and then it will reappear. And the only code that is throwing is the EGR block off kit that I have on the car. So I'm gonna reinstall the EGR back onto the car, and hopefully that fixes the problem. Here, and these two bolts back here somewhere, right there. This is the pipe that we're going to be reconnecting. Our gaskets for the pipe. Going back over here to the back right here. Got it mounted in. And just gotta turn the car on now, see if the check engine light goes away. that's connected. What happens? Oh yeah, you gotta clear the code. Forgot about that. All right, I gotta find my scanner and clear the code. All right, guys, I found the scan tool. So let's clear the code and then see if the check engine light stays off. No codes. Start it up and see if the check engine light stays off. Might have to drive it